So what's Kevin like as a roommate?
He's good. Keeps to himself most of the time.
Most of the time, huh?
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean?
Well, yeah, sometimes he treats me like a dog.
Hey, washing the dishes. Good boy, Alek. Proud of you, man. Thank you.
He even punishes me like a dog.
You fucking animal!
He even feeds me like a dog.
That's pretty weird, dude.
Yeah, you're telling me.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ask Kevin about this. It's kind of strange.
Go for it.
Hey, Kevin? Hey, Kevin? Kevin.
Fuck, dude, get out! I'll talk to you in a
I
second!
just wanted to ask you a couple questions, sorry.
Wasn't ready for that interview.
I'm sorry. Alek says you treat him like a dog.
Have you seen how he acts?
Yeah, he seems fine to me.
Let me show you. Ah, shoot, here he is. Hey, get in the house now! Go! 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 God.
Kevin, hey, what's up, Kevin? Hey, who are you? Hey!
Hey, dude. It's me, dude.
Oh, yeah, I know you. Hey, Kevin.
Told you. So I told you to stay inside. And
Sorry, the door was unlocked, and I decided to go out.
No, you should have run out.
Kevin? Is this a thing in here?
God damn it, Alek! Fuck! Fuck! Alek, get over here right now. What? Can you please just clean this up for me? I'll be right back. Alek, come here right now, come on!
God damn it.
Fucking gross.